If you're like me, you feel like you're constantly cooking. I love that our Deluxe electric grill and griddle is there for me and my family for any meal of the day, from day to night. Here are the ways this grill and griddle transforms to give you endless cooking options. It has removable, interchangeable grill plates and griddle plates. And you can mix and match the plates for even more cooking options. The griddle plates are perfect for eggs, quesadillas, and any type of food you'd cook typically on a griddle. The grill plates are for when you want beautiful grill marks on your food, steaks, burgers, vegetables, and so much more. Plus, with the waffle plates, you can make delicious waffles for breakfast or turn your favorite foods like grilled cheese into waffles. Let's look at the possibilities for the different positions of the grill and griddle. It opens up to the flat position and turns into your breakfast hero. You could cook so many pancakes at once. This position is also great for eggs, bacon, sausage, and French toast. In the closed position, you cook your food from the top and bottom all at once, so your meal gets done fast. Think quesadillas and grilled vegetables. I love the closed position for burgers, steaks, paninis, or other foods that you want to create grill marks on. The top plate can even hover over your food. It's perfect for open-faced sandwiches, cheeseburgers, and even pizzas. Now that we know the plates and positions, let's talk about the settings. We've made this so simple and easy to use. There are 6 pre-programmed settings: custom, sear, panini, grill, griddle, and keep warm. In addition, once you use one of those presets, for more customization, you're able to add 30 seconds and adjust both the time and the temp of the preset. The top-bottom button allows you to set 2 different temperatures on your plates. For example, when you're grilling chicken and veggies for fajitas on one side and warming up tortillas on the other, or when you're making a pizza and you don't want to burn the crust while you're melting the cheese. The Pro button helps take the guesswork out of cooking proteins by allowing you to cook your meats to the temperature you want. You'll set your temperature, the plates, to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and the probe to 140 degrees Fahrenheit for a medium burger. Then insert the probe. The grill will stop cooking after it reaches the preset probe temperature. Since you'll be using your grill so much, you'll want to make sure to remove and wash the drip tray. This catches any food or grease that collects as you're cooking. Just dispose of the grease once it's cool and place it in the dishwasher. When you remove your plates for cleaning, you'll want to use this cleaning tool to get off extra food debris. Once you're done with that, the plates can go into the dishwasher. Yes, I said they are dishwasher safe. Then hand wash the probe and wipe down any food or drips that get on the outside of the grill and griddle. Storage is so simple. If you're like me, you'll just leave it right on your counter. It's easy to store the probe right in the drip tray. If you want to store it in a cabinet, I love that there is a built-in cord storage in the back. Place it upright to save space. So now you see all the cooking possibilities with the Deluxe electric grill and griddle. It's your all day, every day best friend in the kitchen.